guys, it's Cal here. I've been taking some time off this summer to enjoy our new camper and just to relax, get on my bicycle and ride around, smoke some cigars, drink some whiskey, try some different stuff. Anyway, a while ago I recorded a few videos using the Wilkinson sword straight edge razor. Basically it's a shavette. And I had a couple of questions from a couple different viewers about how to load it. I guess how it was portrayed in those videos wasn't very clear, it was a little bit confusing. So I just want to do a very quick video. I'm overdue for a shave, but I'll do that out to the camper later. But I'm going to do a very quick demo, hopefully more understandable than it was the first time. So we're going to change the camera angle, go downstairs, and yeah, we're going to try and give you guys a more clear demo about how to load one of these style of razors. So stay tuned. So we're back. And now I'm left-handed, so I've got to kind of flip things around. It's unnatural for me, but it's also the best way to do this. So now what I've actually done with these is I've just loosened the scales just a tiny little bit. Just loosen that screw a little bit. You've got this armature here. Just pull this back out of the way. You put a little thumbnail notch in there. So just put your, and that's what you're stuck with, or left with, is you've got these two little nubs right here, corresponding holes here. So what we do is you can either take a half blade, comes that way. This happens to be the Derby Professional, or you can take a regular DE, full size, snap it in half, and then you'll end up with two half blades. So what you do with this is you take the little grooves, the little notches, and like I said, it just sits on there. But you put it against those little nubs. Carefully lower that down. Now what I do, and this come up in conversation too, is like I said, it's just resting against those little nubs. So what I do is I use either a piece of paper from the blade or a rubber handled screwdriver just to make sure, like I said, that's pushed up against those nubs. Now, when I go to close this, and I use the additional step of tightening the scales, that'll lock that down so that blade does not move. But, like I said, until you do that, until you close this armature, the blades are just resting against those nubs, so they can move around. So, like I said, again, use something where you're not going to get cut. Push it up tight against that armature, against those nubs, or the little nubs. Lock it down. Now, that shouldn't move. And now you should be able to get your shave on. So, that's how you load the Wilkinson sword straight edge razor and blades with razors with a similar configuration. I hope this is much more clear than my previous videos, and I hope it really helps out. The other question I had was whether these scales are plastic or wood. And again, they've got a wood-like finish. They're fairly beefy. I do like the way they feel in the hand. Like I said, again, I'm not sure. I'm assuming that they're plastic, but like I said, with just a wood-like finish. Again, I don't remember. It's been a while since I recorded that first video. I think this was around 20 or 30 Canadian dollars at Walmart here in New Brunswick, Canada. And once you get the hang of a shavette, it took me a few tries to get used to it. As you can see in my first shave, it was quite blood, a lot of blood in that video. Subsequent videos, after I did more practice, got more comfortable with it, worked out really, really well. So again, just move this armature back, take something, push it, make sure that that's against the nubs, because like I said, all that it does like I said, it's just pushed up against, it doesn't lock in here, just up against those nuts. Spread it a little bit. Slide it over. Set it down. The nubs will go in these holes. Use this. Push carefully. Make sure it's against the nubs. Bring your armature down. Kind of holds everything nice and tight in place. So anyway, hope this helps. Hope it clears the confusion on my previous videos. You guys have an awesome day, an awesome week, and enjoy your summer, and I will get back to making regular videos just as soon as I can. So you guys take care, and thanks again.